Hey guys, welcome back. So been a while I created a video of me decorating a cake, so I decided to do that today. And this is how I'm decorating this beautiful cake. I just want to create a simple design. So this is me smoothing the cake, and I was about to create the top design, and yeah, Nepa just took the light. You know how Nigerian Nepa is like. So this is the outcome of the cake. I hope it's fine. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please like this video and follow me for more videos. Thank you.